Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay with Venmo on TikTok shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo website right here at venmo.com if you're on your PC. If you're on your mobile phone, you're just going to go and be opening up the Venmo application, so download the application and open it up for yourself, and after doing so you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So this is going to be the home page, after which we can get started logging in. So first thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and create an account. So go ahead and register for an account if you need one. If not, just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started, and once you're logged in, it's going to look like this. So here you're going to go and be able to access your home section. You're going to have your card section where you can add your cards to top up, your account settings, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically what we want to do guys first is go ahead and top up our balance in Venmo. So to be able to pay with Venmo, you need to have a balance in your account. So you do not have to add your cards. If you do not want to, you can have somebody send you money directly to your Venmo with the request option right here. But the best option is to add your own card that you're going to use for topping up. So once you have gotten some balance, now we can get started. As you can see, somebody in Reddit asked about TikTok shop Venmo because they have said that they have the option for paying with Venmo. So basically guys, once you're on TikTok shop and you proceed to the payment tab where you can go and select your payment method, if Venmo is supported in your country and in your location, you'll go ahead and be able to use it as an option. So you're going to have PayPal, Venmo, and multiple options. So you can select Venmo if you want. You can go ahead and connect it with your account that you have created right here, and then once you go ahead and shop on TikTok shop, it's going to take out the balance from your Venmo account, and basically that's how you can do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.